YouTube Premium Code Redeem or YouTube Premium Redeem. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your YouTube Premium code or your YouTube code. Now, whether you want to redeem your YouTube Premium account code or just the YouTube code, it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Instead of opening the application on your device, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser. Whether on any device you are on, you want to head into your browser, and at the top of the search bar you want to type in youtube.com/redeem. So simply type in youtube.com/redeem and then go for it. Once you go, you will see you'll head into this link where you'll be able to redeem your code. First, make sure that you're logged into your account that you want to redeem your code on. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on your username there, and here you'll be able to switch between your accounts, or tap on add account down below and you'll be able to add in your account that you want to redeem your code on. Once you're signed into the account, you want to tap on enter code and then tap on next, and your code will be redeemed to that particular account that you were signed in on. So this way you can redeem your YouTube Premium code or your YouTube code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.